What is Java?
Java is programming language.
Yes, Java is high-level programming language developed by Sun Microsystems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in this line, what is high-level programming? High-level programming is very close to human language, but not understandable to computer easily. Okay, for
Mm-hmm.
example, C language, Fortran language, Pascal language, etc. These are high-level programming language. High-level programming language convert or translate into machine language. Okay. Now, what is machine language? Machine language also called low-level language. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I not audible?
Can you hear me
Hello.
clear?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Understand high-level language?
Yes.
Yes. Now I discuss about machine language. Machine language basically it is also called low level language. It sorry, it is form of binary mean 0 or 1. It
Mm-hmm.
is easily understandable for computer. Okay. So Java is high level programming language,
Okay.
but translated by JVM. JVM is Java virtual machine, which is next slide. Okay. Next, Java syntax is similar to C++, but strictly an object-oriented programming language. So, what is object-oriented programming language? Basically, most of Java programs
Mm-hmm.
contains classes which are used to define objects and methods or functions. Okay, every class has own methods and objects to access the class. Understand?
Yes.
And every class has own variables or data members.
Mm.
Okay. Next, what is sorry, Java can run on different platforms, including Mac, Windows, and Unix computers. Means it can execute or run at iOS, means iPhone or platform iOS, iPhone
Mm.
operating system, or any Windows or
Mm-hmm.
execute also on Unix means operating system. Okay,
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
Next, what is static variables? I I told you already. Every class has own variables or data members. One of them static variable.
Mm.
So static variable in Java is variable which belongs to class and initialized. only once at the start of execution. Okay,
Okay.
means static variable is initialize or create only one time. It
Okay.
accessed by class name. Okay, for example, see at this slide, a class public class name of variable example. Okay,
Hmm.
and a variable example has two data members, means int first data member int my
Hmm.
variable, and second static int data. Okay,
Okay.
so how can we access, means class of variable example,
Hmm.
and data is a static variable. Okay, static int data, it is
Hmm.
static variable. It is
Hmm.
accessed as variable example dot data. See at system dot output out dot println
Hmm.
value of static variable, means variable example dot data. What is
Hmm.
variable example? It is name of class.
Yes.
Okay, variable example dot data. This method accessing to static data members,
Okay.
mean class name dot data. Then we can print or display. Okay,
So
below
basically,
output, see the output, value of
hmm.
static variable 30.
So basically, if we add the word static to any variable that we are creating, you get that static number or whatever you've set for that data.
Yes, uh,
Hmm?
but it access by using class name. Okay, class
Okay. Hmm.
name dot uh, any data member.
Any data. Hmm. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
next, what is instance variable? There are two types of variables. One of them static variable, and second instance variable. So what is instance variable?
Hmm.
Instance variable is variable which is declared in a class variable class, but outside of constructors, methods, or blocks. Means it created as globally. Okay.
Yeah.
Instance variables, basically global variable, are created when an object is initiated and
Hmm.
are accessible to all constructors, all methods, or all blocks
Blocks.
of classes.
Hmm.
Okay, instance variable is a declare or create in class, but outside the methods and constructors. What is constructor? Constructor means a class object. Okay, instance variable is accessible to constructor or
I'm
method.
sorry, your voice is breaking up, sir.
Sorry, or you understand by instance variable?
Very- Yes, sir.
Basically, it is a variable created or declared outside the constructor or methods.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
for example, in this class, in this class name as variable example, it has two variables. One
Hmm.
static data, a static variable, and first variable name as my variable. My variable is a instance variable. Okay. In my variable is an instance variable. It is in class but outside the void
Hmm.
main function. It is accessed as object
Okay.
dot my variable. Okay.
Okay.
See the system dot out dot println value of instance variable object dot my variable means in other functions we create class object and then we access the instance variable through object.
Hmm.
After that we display or see the output of this variable. Okay. Below the
Okay.
output we see the output value of instance variable equal to 0.
Okay. Okay.
Clear? Any confusion about static and instance?
No, it's clear.
Okay. Now these are all points discussed
Hmm.
already. Once I repeat it, what is static variable? Class variable, also known as static variable, are declared with the static keyword in a class, but outside a method, a constructor, or block. It is initialized as globally in the class but outside the constructor or methods. Okay.
Hmm.
And next, instance variable are declared in a class but outside the method or constructor or any block.
Hmm.
So next, static variable second number.
Hmm.
Static variable are created when program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Basically, it is like unchangeable variable. It execute at the start of program and its execution stops at the execution of program stops. Okay.
Okay.
Next, instance variable are created when an object is created with use of keyword new
Hmm.
and destroyed when object is destroyed. Means in this example, see the public static void main function. In this
Hmm.
function, we are created object by new variable example obj
Hmm.
object equal new variable example. Okay. This
Hmm.
is a method of creation of object. By using this object, we access any instance variable. Okay.
Okay.
Last point, static variable can be accessed by calling with the class name
Hmm.
dot variable name, which is already I told you. means in this example,
Hmm.
system dot out print
Hmm.
ln value of static variable, variable example dot data. Okay, by name of class you can access the any static data, any static
Hmm.
data member or any static variable. Okay,
Hmm.
now this is difference between static and instance variable. Any confusion about these?
No, it's clear.
Okay. And any confusion
No,
in
no,
this example? Clear?
no, sir. Yeah.
Now, what is Java Virtual Machine? Means JVM. A Java Virtual Machine means JVM is virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java program as well as
Hmm.
computer as well as programs written in other languages that are also compiled to Java bytecode means
Hmm.
JVM is like a compiler. Compiler is a tool which compile or execute the code or program. Okay.
Okay.
Java code
Hmm.
is executed by JVM and translate for computer.
Hmm.
JVM translate the Java code into machine code. Machine code is low level language
Hmm.
in the form of binary. Okay, byte code
Okay.
means binary code. Byte
Hmm.
code means binary code which is in form of 0 or 1. Okay,
Okay.
the JVM perform following operations. First, load the code. JVM load or pick up the program, pick up the Java program in
Hmm.
form of code for process. And second step, verify the code. After loading or pick up the code, JVM identify and analyze the code in Java and
Hmm.
take ready for execution. Okay. Next, executes the code. At last, JVM execute the Java code and display the output. Okay. In this diagram,
Hmm.
first step, we write the Java code and load on JVM. Second, then this Java code goes to compiler JVAC, JVAC compiler. We write the code and then goes to JVAC compiler,
Hmm.
which is convert into bytecode. Okay, third number
Okay.
bytecode. JVAC compiler convert into Java code into binary form. And last point, this binary form binary form code goes to JVM.
Okay.
Then JVM execute the code and display the output. Okay, and last JVM Mac, JVM Windows, JVM Linux means JVM can work on Mac, iOS,
Hmm.
or Windows or any Linux software means Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu is
Okay.
a operating system software.
Hmm.
for execution any code, program code. Okay,
Okay.
clear what is JVM? Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Next, what is overridden method in Java? Overridden method created already in parent class and then also create same method in child class. This is called overridden method. Means in any Java, overriding is a feature that allows a subclass or child class. Or you know about parent class or child
Yes,
class.
sir. Yes, sir.
I repeat it. What is parent class? Okay, I define it.
Mm. Okay.
Parent class whose properties are inherited.
Mm.
Okay, parent class whose inherited all properties into other class,
Yeah.
known as parent class or superclass. It is also called as base class. Okay, and next, what is child class? The child which is inherits properties from other class. It is also known as subclass or derived class.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
so overriding, what is overriding method? Any method which is already in parent class and also creating in same method in child class is called overriding or overwritten
Mm.
method. Okay, in this example, animal is a parent class and dog
Okay.
is a child class.
Mm.
So animal has uh, move function or move method, which is overridden
Mm.
because move function is in also dog class.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm. Yeah.
same function move, same function which has both parent and child class. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Mm. Yes.
So I repeat this picture. Animal is a parent class. It has data member which
Mm.
is data 1 and move function and eat function. And
Okay.
next, dog is a child class which inherits or extends
Mm.
to animal parent class.
Okay.
In dog class, move function derived from animal class. Okay, move function
Okay.
is in both parent and child class. So
Mm.
move function also called overridden method or function.
Okay.
Next, what is inheritance or inherited method?
Okay.
Basically, word inheritance means all properties transfer to others. Okay. Similarly,
Hmm.
all properties of parent class transfer to child class, called inheritance. In previous example,
Hmm.
animal is parent class. It has eat
Hmm.
function. One more animal class has one more function called eat
Hmm.
function. So,
Okay.
child class is inherited class from animal. So we
Hmm.
can use eat function in dog class as Barney.